Hello friends, welcome to Velvet's Fashion World. Today is Saraswati Puja and I have dressed myself with 3 different color of net sarees. Please see the try on. I would like to recite 2 lines regarding Saraswati Puja. Happy Saraswati Puja to you all, friends, and your family too. May Maa Sarswati showers her divine blessings upon us all and guide us all towards the path of success and enlightenment. May our mind be enlightened with clarity and may our heart be fulfilled with full of creativity. Happy Saraswati Puja. Ma, we all worship the embodiment of success. This is a little prayer to Maa Sarswati from my side. Being a member of YouTube family, I dedicate this prayer to Maa Sarswati for all friends of mine and their families. 2. Worship Maa Sarswati and enjoy a lot. I am ending the video today for the time being, but stay tuned, stay connected. We'll be coming back soon with a new fashion video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all. Have a nice day ahead. Love you all, my friends.